story. Luna learns to brush teeth. Luna is in the bathroom with Bobo and Pandi and sees that it is time to brush teeth. Bobo gently reminds Luna that brushing teeth helps keep a smile clean. Luna picks up the toothbrush and gets ready to start. Luna adds a small amount of toothpaste to the toothbrush. Luna brushes teeth gently with small, careful movements. Luna rinses carefully after brushing. Luna looks in the mirror and smiles with clean teeth. Luna learned that brushing teeth helps keep a smile clean and healthy. Hope you enjoyed this story. Subscribe to Bobo and Friends for gentle preschool stories about kindness, safety, and good habits.